Consisting today of 46 pieces, the church bell collection was affected by the ravages of the Second World War, with a number of bells melting in a fire which broke out in the museum's lapidarium. The earliest piece in the collection is a bell from St. Abraham, today of Vărămesti, Romania, which lacks an exact date but which was probably made around the year 1400. Although many of the bells in the collection are from the 15th century, with dates in some cases, most are 16th-17th century pieces, a few are later still.
The Pope introduced the custom of ringing church bells during the celebration of the Eucharist. The bells were also used to announce times of daily prayer called the canonical hours. By the early Middle Ages, church bells were so common in Europe.
There is but one place in the world to make bells like these: the Whitechapel Bell Foundry. Bell metal is reduced to liquid by the heat of the furnace, and it's cleaned of slag, the impurity that rises to the surface.